Irfan, you going to flip the coin?
Yes. Raja. King.
Head. It's head.
It's a new call that I heard, Raja, and the match referee says, well, it's a heads. Yusuf, winning the toss, what do you plan to do?
We want to bowling करना चाहते हैं हम लोग.
Teams for the two sides in the semi-final. Look at that batting lineup for the Tigers. Oja, Saket Sharma, Pathan, Somil Das, Dilshan Munawira. They bat all the way down to number 7. So the Marines need to make a good start. Big opportunity for Mihir and Chamara Silva, but Jaisal Karia will once again be the man to watch out. Chamara Silva, first of them, 26 runs in 4 matches previously. He'll want to do better. But at the other end, it's Mihir Agarwal, who did find form coming into this game. 66, his best in that previous game. Also, 2 half centuries in this tournament.
As you very rightly said, कि दोनों टीम्स की यात्रा बड़ी अलग-अलग रही है. अमित मिश्रा की यात्रा भी बहुत बढ़िया नहीं रही है. विकेट मिले हैं 2, इकोनॉमी बहुत ज्यादा है.
It's time for the first semi-final. The MP Tigers versus the Marines. Runs off the first ball through the gap. What a shot from Mihir to get off the mark. And it runs away for 4 as well.
लाजवाब. पहले ओवर की पहली गेंद पर, दूसरे ओवर की पहली गेंद पर दोनों बार ड्राइव किया है मिहिर ने.
High in the air. Has he got the distance? Field underneath it. And taken cleanly by Saket Sharma.
Asking Mihir to go there, and this time he's gone a little finer. Yes, well played.
गैप में कुछ देर गेंद हवा में जरूर थी, लेकिन गैप में यहां रन आउट हो सकता, रन आउट बिल्कुल हो सकता है. मिहिर देख ही नहीं रहे थे जैसल कारिया की तरफ. बहुत नेगी से आप दूसरा रन चुराने को देख रहे हैं. ये देखिए, एक बहुत ही सॉफ्ट डिसमिसल. ऑन साइड पे खेलना चाह रहे थे, बैट का फेस बंद किया. जैसल कारिया को देखिएगा, 1-2 फिर मना कर दिया. फिर मिहिर ने देखा ही नहीं जैसल कारिया की तरफ, वो भागते ही चले गए. कोई बॉल ही नहीं. और जैसल कारिया ने कहा आप यहाँ चेक कर रहे थे कि कौन रन आउट. मिहिर अग्रवाल रन आउट हुए, 13 रन बना के 28 पे 2.
Comes down the track. This time it's Jaisal Karia. Goes over the bowler's head.
फील्ड रिस्ट्रिक्शंस ऑन थी. जैसल कारिया जिस तरीके के फॉर्म में चल रहे हैं.
Goes for the big one. A perfect connection. The field at long on will be a mere spectator. Irfan Pathan likes it.
लॉन्ग ऑन पे खिलाड़ी मौजूद था, चांस लिया और आसानी से क्लियर किया वहां पे मनन ने.
This time around goes over covers. No fielder there on the offside. Makes room for himself. Kadak shot.
एक ही बल्लेबाज के ऊपर सारा दबाव नहीं आना चाहिए. रनआउट की अपील जरूर है, लेकिन संभवतः देखना होगा. मनन शर्मा वापस आ रहे हैं और क्या टाइमिंग है इस बार इरफान पठान की, काबिले तारीफ.
Has been brought. Oh, he's going for the appeal. He's going in for it. Oh, it's given. After a delay, he's given it.
उनके पास जो क्षमताएं हैं वो जल्दी किसी के पास नहीं है, और ये दिखाया उन्होंने इस गेंद पर किस तरीके से बेहतरीन टाइमिंग के साथ 4 रन अर्जित किए. और ये बेहतरीन स्ट्रोक लगाया है. क्या बात है पुष्प कुमारा.
गैप में और 4 रन मिलेंगे.
13 runs and over 180. Takes the outside edge. Sandeep comes into bowl. Takes the outside edge. Oh, slip there. Always difficult to place a slip at this point of time. No chance for Irfan Pathan. But Amit Mishra will be happy. I got the outside edge of Irfan Pathan.
जी वो एंगल बहुत अच्छा था. अतिरिक्त उछाल प्राप्त किया, बहुत दूर निकल गई नमन से.
Nicely connected. Beautifully connected. What timing there by Irfan.
मनप्रीत धोनी, क्या उड़न तश्तरी वाला 6 है ये.
There you go, high up in the air. Hasn't gone too far. and will be dropped. Oh my! Yusuf Pathan drops Irfan Pathan.
ओह, एक और मिस टाइम शॉट.
This time connects well. This will fly over. He was dropped and now he smacked a 6. Smack once again. It's flying, flying, and 6. With that, Irfan Pathan brings his half century. The first of the tournament for him. 29-ball half century here.
Captain's innings in the semi-final.
Oh, past the fielder. Lots happened this over. 4 more to finish it off. Smack down the ground and clears the rope very easily. As Manpreet Goni clubs this one over mid-wicket for another 6. Smacked hard, shout of catch it, and straight to the fielder. Saket making no mistake.
इरफान पठान अगर 6 गेंदें खेल लेते या खूनी 6 गेंदें खेल लेते तो स्कोर अलग होता. साकेत में कोई गलती नहीं, ये गलतियां नहीं करते हैं. संदीप के लिए बहुत बड़ी ये कामयाबी है. 54 रन बनाकर मुंबई मरीन्स के कैप्टन इरफान वापस जा रहे हैं. 167 पे 6.
Manpreet Goni with a big swing, and it's been taken. But this last delivery up in the air, has it got the distance? No, it hasn't. And Saket with another attempt, this time falls short. Are they coming back for 2? Seems like they have got runs on the last ball. 172 for 7 then. 20 overs are done. 170 mark. They have indeed crossed it. 65 runs of the last 30 balls, including those 2 big wickets. We've seen a lot of twists and turns, ups and downs in this innings itself. And we have a great chase in anticipation. 173 runs then, 20 overs. That's the equation. Who will be in the final?
Manan Sharma.
Wait, no. Easy. Good shot, Manan bhaiya.
This time Saket Sharma is that, realizes up in the power play, will run for a boundary.
और इस बार मौका था मिड विकेट के ऊपर से 6 रनों के लिए.
Won't matter for that man because Saket is going to go for another cracking strike for a boundary. Oh wow, that's gone for another big one.
और गेंद को कट किया है. क्या बात है.
That's another short one, but that's gone all the way as well. Also being this time he's gone high, but straight down. Is there a man getting underneath it? Oh yes, and that will go out, and that's a big fish. Comes down the track, and again that's gone big into the side screen. Sweeps it this time. Sweet timing, sweet 4.
Chipped in the air. Will the fielder come underneath it? Oh! And that has run away for 4 as well. Takes it on the full. And this is what we were talking about. Powerful lineup. And he's bowled it. Oh, that incoming delivery. Pawan Negi trying to flick it and misses the line completely. Oh, big appeal. And it's gone off with the finger. The wicket is there. Trego is surprised.
कैच इट और बड़ी विकेट, बड़ी सफलता ये मिलती हुई.
मनन से ज्यादा खुश अभिषेक कौल होंगे, विकेट कीपर होंगे.
Naman scores 36, 89 for 5.
New batter who's come in as the impact player, Sunil Bhai, is Stuart Binny. So still no respite for the Mumbai Marines. That's how powerful a batting unit is they are.
बहुत सही मौके पे स्टुअर्ट बिनी को इम्पैक्ट भेजा गया है. इतना अनुभव आपके पास है, बेहतरीन ऑलराउंडर रहे हैं.
looks like. What a spell this has been by Manan. 2 for 23 in his 4.
Inside out shot and that flies over the rope.
इनसाइड आउट बहुत अच्छी तरीके से टाइम किया था वहां पे. ये हुई बल्लेबाजी.
Goes inside out once again. Pressure release boundary from Munawira once again.
Oh, again he's wrapped him up. He's called. Oh, he's given it. He's given it.
बस वो आखिरी कांटा है रास्ते का. कांटा निकाल दिया.
Yeah, we are on the seesaw now. Stuart Binney getting all that experience and a good shot. Not something he would be happy about. The ball goes out this time. Will be the ball outside the boundary.
या एक विकेट मैच को कैसे बदल देता है, माहौल कैसे बदल देता है, ये सोमिल दास ने दिखाया है. क्या शॉट है ये. स्टुअर्ट बिनी.
Was perfectly played down and then what a catch. Clean. The Big Cricket League is on your wing. Yeah, he knows. Full toss goes high again, but there's a man. Oh wow, they'll go all the way. It's a full toss. He'd attempt to pull a Yorker there, and rather more towards the off, but yeah, he's happy. You spoke about 1-6. Oh, he's good. What a catch! Phenomenal stuff happening here in Surat. Well done. Again, bowling in. More Fuller now. They won't mind a single. They're going in for 2. Could be a tight affair on the other end. Oh, he's left it already. He's left it already. And what a back-to-back performance there from that man. Took a catch and then initiating a run out as well.
दो रोमांचक मोड़ हमने इसी ओवर में देख लिए हैं. क्या कमाल का सेमीफाइनल हो रहा है ये.
Certainly, and in fact, halfway through, it is gone. Good work here. This is what fielding can do to your team. Good fielding can get you back into the match. He'll have to walk out there. Amit Mishra goes for 1.
जहाज बन गया है. लैंडिंग कहां होगी गेंद की. हाथ में होगी भाई. अच्छा कैच पकड़ा है. एक विकेट दूर मुंबई मरीन्स फाइनल में जाने से.
So last ball it is. Will be a dot. Irfan Pathan is the hero. Takes a wicket in the very first over and gives Marines that victory to take them to the finals of the first ever Big Cricket League. We promised you entertainment. It's time to deliver.
रन बनाए ठीक 172. बहुत बड़ा स्कोर नहीं है. इरफान टॉप स्कोरर रहे 54 के साथ और जवाब में इरफान ने एक विकेट भी लिया है. 15 रन से मुंबई मरीन्स जीती है.